The smell of cinnamon drifting through the hall, pine tree needles shining, garlands on the wall. Mama's baking cookies, Dad's lighting up the fire. Every little moment feels like all our hearts align. Laughter in the kitchen, music soft and low, the sweetest kind of magic only families know.